dispenser. It's also great if you're in a hurry when you're grabbing your eggs like I am. I find that I'm constantly trying to grab my eggs really quickly because I'm balancing kids and cooking I'm just trying to move as fast as I can, and I always drop the eggs because I'm trying to balance the carton, grab the eggs. This dispenser gets rid of that problem and also takes up little to no space in my refrigerator. It is so compact. Look how thin that is. Just fits right on the shelf and holds up to 28 large eggs. It is so convenient and it's so fun. My kids love to grab them because it's just so fun. It's awesome because once you have it loaded, you just grab the eggs you need and it automatically dispenses. How cool is that? It's an automatic egg dispenser. This is perfect for the refrigerator, for your countertop, wherever you store your eggs. It is so perfect because it is so compact, space saving, and also just so useful to grab your eggs and go, making it super convenient and helpful. I'm gonna show you how awesome it is in my fridge now. As you can see, I do not have a ton of space in my fridge, but I have a lot of eggs because we go through eggs like crazy because my boys eat a ton of eggs. We use tons of eggs for baking. We go through a lot of eggs. This solves the space problem because it's so compact. Look at that, you can't even see it. It's so awesome. It holds up to 28 eggs and is just so useful with the self-dispensing. You can just grab the egg and the next one rolls right in place. Again, my kids love it for a reason. Thank you so much to the brand that sent this to us. We highly recommend it.